Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I appreciate you. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP Officejet 8015e. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is automatic document feeder. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 915 black, red, yellow and blue. What we're going to do is turn this printer around, show you step by step what is included. Okay, now from the back here, this sticker here is for the serial number for this printer, in case if you need to contact HP. This is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. Just above the power cable we have this spot here is for USB cable connection. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. Here is the USB cable, what it looks like. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here in UK. If you want it abroad, you can also search this from Amazon. We're going to put a link for this. The essence of this USB cable is when you stick it to your printer, okay, in case if you haven't got Wi-Fi network, stick it to your printer, and this flat end to back of your PC, it will recognize this printer. You also need to download the software on your printer, okay, I mean on your laptop, for you to connect this printer. But with USB cable straight away, it will pick up this printer, right? And from the back, basically this is the overview from the back, and this is the automatic document feeder. The essence of it is you can scan multiple pages of document, likewise copy multiple pages of documents with the automatic document feeder, ADF. Okay, going to turn this printer around. This printer is nice, very compact, very economical and affordable. It's for office work, for student work, for small businesses. Likewise, in terms of this printing speed, you can print up to 18 prints per minute for black color, and also 10 prints per minute for color. This printer, like I mentioned earlier, is multifunctional. You can copy, scan and print. From right here, this is the scanner. Stick the document you want to scan or copy, ID card on top of the scanner, and select the function from LCD screen, and it will do the job. Okay, now I'm going to lift this printer up. If you want to lift this printer up, open it this way and lift. Okay, once you lift it up, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle for you to change it. It does this automatically. It's using ink cartridges 912. Here it is, okay, which we are going to load. I'm going to show you. So right now I'm going to close this printer down. Once you close it down, close it this way. Now here is the paper tray. Okay, so various sizes of paper. You can load various sizes of paper here, right here. And also, if you want to bring this out, you just need to press this button here. Okay, there is lever you need to press down for you to remove this. Okay, and here is the paper tray, so you can load various sizes. If you want to adjust this, you need to press this holder here, press it down, and for you to adjust it, for you to extend it. Okay, so you need to press it down to be able to extend it. You can load various sizes of paper, 4x6 A4 paper, various size 8.5 by 18, 8.5 by 11 and 8.5 by 14. So just need to extend it, load particular paper you want, then before you put it back. Okay, so right now I'm going to put this back. So what you need to do, just need to press. Okay, it's inside. Now what we need to do is to show you step by step. Check my video how we unbox this stuff. Now what we need to do is to load the ink cartridges, and to load the ink cartridges you need to, but by the way, like I mentioned, this printer is dual band. You can connect it via USB cable, likewise Wi-Fi network. So open it up, okay, lift, and once you lift up the ink cartridges holder, it is in the middle right here. Where for you to change it, going to bring the camera close for you to see. Okay, you can see this is the ink cartridges holder. It comes right in the middle. If you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris. Just check right here for any paper jam. I do get a lot of questions, people asking about paper jam. So once you check over here, you can also, the other way, you can do this also, lift this printer the other way around, up, and check, okay, for any paper jam, which I'm going to show you as well what to do. Okay, so you can actually close this printer down and check this way, okay, and open this section to check for any paper jam and debris as well. So you can also do this end to check. Okay, so check inside and also likewise here for you to remove any paper jam. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is lift this up and put the cover back. Okay, it's inside. Now what we need to do is basically show you step by step how to install the ink cartridges. I do get a lot of questions about installing the ink. This printer, like I mentioned, is using ink cartridges 912. 912 is what it's using. Okay, so for us to install the ink, here is the step to take. So gently remove the ink. Okay, so you can see various sizes. Now what we need to do is, first of all, we need to install the red one. Okay, okay, here is the red color. Okay, and what we need to do is pull it's off. Just need to squeeze it, and now going in. So you just need to go in straight. Okay, this magnetic need to be outside, then make sure this goes inside the one that have foam. Okay, so you go in with the red first. Okay, you hear a click sound, red color, go inside. The next on the list is the blue. Okay, so the next on the list is blue. Squeeze it out. Okay, now go inside. Okay, for blue color. You hear a click sound, blue is inside. Okay, now the next thing to do on the list is black, yellow. Yellow is the next to do. Okay, squeeze it. Yeah, you hear a click sound. Now go inside. You can pull the plastic if you want. Okay, you hear a click sound, just go in. The last but not the least is black. The last but not the least is black. Okay, squeeze it. Now go in. Okay, now what we're doing is go into the black. You hear a click sound. Okay, going to bring the camera for you to see. So here is the ink. Okay, and it's inside. Now what we need to do is gently close it to see if this printer recognizes it. Okay, so what we need to do right now is go back and front, close it. Okay, close. Right now, checking the printer, please wait. It's right, it's telling us right now it's checking the printer. If we recognize the ink, it will tell us that the ink is installed. Here we go. Genuine HP ink cartridges is installed. You can see this is what it's telling us right now. genuine HP ink is installed. So you recognize it, new HP cartridges, genuine HP ink cartridges installed. Okay, so once you've done that, the printer will recognize it, and the next thing you need to do is just click OK. Okay, so click OK, and the next thing is we're going to do right now on my next video is show you how to load the paper tray and for us to complete the alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. This is how to install the ink cartridges 912 on this printer, HP Officejet 8015e. This printer is very smart, simple, and increase your productivity. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.